Hi guys, it's Turner. You probably read the title already, but either way, I'm going to explain to you why I have a whisk in my hand. Why I have this cornstarch and food coloring. Unless you watch my channel, Mr. Turner Ty, if you don't go and watch it right now after this video, I did a slime DIY on that channel, so I'm doing that here too. And I teach you how to make the slime, and it's really cool. So let's do this. So first you need water. Let me go get some water. So yeah, you fill it up about halfway with cold water. Oh God, that's steaming.
Hot.
Oh, that's cold water. Alright, so you fill it up about halfway, if I can get that. Alright, so you fill it up about half. Whoa!
How high did you fill it up?
Halfway? Not even. I didn't realize that. Alright, so try not to spill it like I did. So yeah, you get half water. So then next, pour a bit of cornstarch in there. I'm trying to have it not explode in your face. Like it just did. Woo! Get a hold of yourself, Turner. Alright, this is gonna be hard to show you. Woo! So it should look like that. All the cornstarch will be sinking to the bottom. Mix it up. You just mix up this bit for a bit with your whisk. Doesn't really matter. Next, you get food coloring. Alright, I'm doing red slime. I put about 2-3 drops. That was 5. I did 10 drops, depending on how high your thing is. Alright, so should look like that right now, and then you just stir it for a while. Get that color soaked in. Kind of looks like Mars. Yeah, you just stir for as long as you can. Add as much food coloring as you need until you get the color you want. Blah, blah, blah. And then put your hand in and see how much slime there is. Yeah, that's good enough. What? Mom's making faces at me. This works, Mom. I tried it at Mr. Greentie's house. So next you carry the soap. Thank you. When it's not needed, thank you. You carry it over to the sink and you pour all the water out. The slime will be at the bottom. Alright. I need a bit more food coloring. Took a tiny look at mine, and then I'll give you enough to see how much more food coloring you need. Did I forget a step? I have a bad feeling about this. Put as many drops as you need. Right. Alright, so the slime is like this right now. I don't need more cornstarch, I know that. There's a little problem, and I don't know what it is. Did Mr. Turner forget a step?
Let me see. No, that's way enough food coloring.
Lamon's barking at me.
You want thicker?
No. Well, actually, yes, thank you. I just let it
You
soak.
want this to be, if you want it thicker, you gotta add cornstarch. I think you had a lot of water.
Yeah, I put a lot of water. It's just we used a smaller bowl on Mr. Turner Ty.
Yeah. You just have a lot of water.
Alright. I'm gonna go again and try to dump some out. Now see what it looks like.
No more food coloring.
Yeah. Yes, this is the color I wanted it.
That's the slime?
Yeah, I'm having as much slime as I wanted and I dumped out all the water. Alright guys. So there was a little problem. I didn't use enough cornstarch. But this happened before. We had an example, so go on the other channel and take a look at what it should look like. But you can have fun. This is actually pretty fun. It's really relaxing. Feels like slime. I just want to pick it all up and rub it. It doesn't always turn out the exact color you want it to, so be aware of that. You just take it, and then it soaks back up. Whee! Slime feels so good. Woo! Well, guys, I need to wash my hands. I'm gonna go make more slime. Goodbye. Bye.
You're not ready.
I can't turn this off. I can't turn this off with my messy hands.
Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.